To perform a strong head clean or an ink flush, go to the Start menu and right-click the icon. Click Settings, and this will bring up the Windows Settings menu. In here, select Bluetooth and Devices, and then select Printers and Scanners. Select your printer model from the list above, and then click Printing Preferences. This will bring up your printer's Printing Preferences window. Across the top tabs, select Maintenance, and in here, find Powerful Cleaning, or in some cases, it's called an ink flush. Click here, and you'll get this notification box that will warn you that this does use quite a bit of ink. Click Next. If you get these notification boxes, tick each of these, and then click Next. To start the power cleaning, click Start. Once your power cleaning or ink flush has completed, you'll get this notification window. Click Finish, and this is complete. We highly recommend turning your printer off and leaving it off for at least 2 hours after doing a power clean. This ensures the pressures built upon the printhead have dissipated and the ink sits back on the printhead ready for printing.